Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates, guys. Hindi po ito personal reading, ha? So, pwede kang hindi makarelate. Pwede ka rin naman makarelate. Or pwede ka rin makarelate pero hindi 100%. So, bahala ka na ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles dito. Depende sa nangyayari sa'yo. Kung gusto mo magpabook ng personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader, puntahan mo siya sa Facebook. Or if you want, pwede ka rin pumunta dun sa akin TikTok shop, Unipery. Yan yung aking TikTok shop. And if you're, na taga Las Piñas, you might want to check itong aking restaurant na Jelly's Restaurant along Naga Road, Las Piñas. Okay, let's start your reading. This is for the sign of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. 3 of Wands, 10 of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Bottom of the deck is a King of Wands. Yeah. I feel like ang dami mong gustong ayusin sa buhay mo ngayon. Okay? Especially kung marami kang obligasyon, marami kang responsibilidad. Yeah, pwede may mga bagay kang gustong ayusin. The 3 of Wands is here. I feel like sinisimulan mo na ito ngayon. Maybe regarding with your finances or regarding yourself. Tell me about this. What's with the 10 of Wands and the 3 of Wands? 10 of Pentacles and the 2 of Wands. Yeah, maybe you have some of you meron kang plano with regards to your career or regarding sa iyong money. Maybe you are planning to invest or planning to, and yung iba pwede nag-OT or gumagawa pa ng paraan para magawa ito or mangyari itong plano mo na ito. I can see plano here with regards sa'yo. Okay. Wait lang, guys. Okay, let's get this main energy naman ng person mo. Mag-focus tayo sa kanya. This is love reading, guys. Pwede magkapalit-palit roles. Kahit sinasabi kong ikaw, pwedeng person mo yun. You have here the Knight of Cups. This person is having problems. Financial problems. And the Knight of Cups, maybe this person wants to offer you something. Or gusto niyang maybe this person is very interested sa'yo with regards to your money. Yan. Maraming kaguluhan ngayon sa buhay niya financially. The 6 of Pentacles. Either this person gusto kanyang bisitahin or maybe gusto niyang bisitahin mo siya. Kahit malayo. Regarding the distance, it doesn't matter kung malayo or malapit. Pero something to do with pagbisita. And this person wants to know if gusto mo ba siya or tinutulok mo ba siya palayo, parang ganun. Kung matutuwa ka ba sa kanya, maaaliw or naiinis. And I can see a lot of paghanga and pagkagusto dito sa person na ito. The Empress is here, so gusto niya ma-attract ka sa kanya, like physically. Especially if in the past, may mga pagsasend na ginawa itong person na to, pagsasend ng photos, etc. Kasi gusto niya ma-attract ka sa kanya. Gusto niya malaman if, kasi for you, no? Maybe some of you feel like hindi naman ako ganun kagandahan, kapugian, or iba na itsura ko ngayon, medyo losyang na ako, di ba? Parang ganun. But this person, hindi yun ang nakikita niya sa'yo. Okay? May iba siyang nakikita sa'yo na talagang hinahanga niya. And this person, wala siyang pakialam sa mga tao sa paligid niya na nagpapakita sa kanya ng intention or atensyon. Ikaw ang gusto niya. And it's weird. Especially if you're dealing with a person na mahilig sa... Hindi ko sinasabing pangit ka. Pero, mahilig siya sa ganun. Maybe in the past, may mga nakakonect siya na ganun. Emotions. Let's talk about your emotions. Nakakita ko sa'yo ng pagkamataas na ego mo. Ace of Wands is here. The Lovers. Clarify this. Queen of Swords and the High Priestess. Eight of Wands, Four of Swords, and Chariot. Ang bottom of the deck is the Hanged Man. I mean, this is weird kasi pwedeng you have a lot of passion sa person mo na ito, no? Gusto mo siya. And maybe with the lovers, gusto mo magkaroon ng relationship, flirting between the two of you. You want to flirt with this person. But at the same time, with the Queen of Swords, kinakat off mo, nilalayuan mo, iniiwasan mo. Maybe if ever na you are in another relationship or yung person na ito is in another relationship, pwedeng may nararamdaman kang connection or soulmate connection sa inyo, and you're cutting this person off because even though maganda siya or may paghahanga or pagmamahal ka sa kanya, I feel like hindi kasi siya katulad ng iba. Like there's something unique dito sa person na ito na gusto mo pero maybe nahihiya kang i-admit, or maybe yun nga kasi maybe there's another connection or people or relationship na involved dito. Pero ang gusto mo talaga is to have a connection or a relationship sa inyong dalawa. Honestly, kung titingnan ko, nakakamoy ako ng chocolate. I don't know if you're eating chocolate. But anyway, ang realidad dito is that you love this person, gusto mo siya. You're just avoiding this person. Kasi kahit malakas yung emotion mo or malakas yung connection ninyo, you're letting go because of maybe another partnership or another relationship. And or maybe with regards sa parents, or maybe regarding sa past, maybe iba sa inyo pwedeng may kinalaman yung parents dito or yung relationship mo with your parents. Parang nakaka-apekto yon sa kung ano yung way ng pag-iisip mo ngayon. Or maybe you're already a parent, pwedeng may anak ka na, you're married, etc. So, although gusto mo siya, alam mo yun, parang hindi pwede. You know the way I see this Queen of Swords? Yeah, Queen of Swords is good at cutting people off. And this is you. Magaling ka talaga mag-cut off ng tao. And you're cutting this person off. Alam mo yung, yung rose. Kumbaga sa isang rose. Meron kasi yung parang pinaka nasa gitnang rose eh. Yung pinaka mahaba, yung long stem kung tawagin. And then, yung mga nasa branch niya, yung mga nasa gilid-gilid na maliliit, or yung mga roses na nakadikit sa kanya. Medyo mas maliit ang stem noon. Usually, yun yung ginagawang bouquet. Actually, hindi ako marunong magawa ng bouquet. Wala akong idea, but I know parang ganun ang style noong rose eh. And the way I see this, your person is the long stem. This person is, nakikita mo siya, siya yung rose with the long stem. And then, yung mga maliliit na roses or yung mga nasa gilid na roses, I feel like in order for you na makuha itong person nito, you need to get rid of those other roses. Nagigets mo yun? Kasi siya yung main rose, siya yung maybe main person ng buhay mo. Maybe siya yung pinaka... And I can see uniqueness doon. Kasi of course siya yung kakaiba at siya yung wala masyadong katulad. So, it's a unique person. It's someone na nakikitaan mo na hindi siya katulad ng iba. And you really do like this. Pero kailangan may sacrifice yung ibang roses para makuha mo siya. You know what I mean? Okay. Your person, the Eight of Wands, the Four of Swords, and the Chariot. Cancer energy, Major Arcana, the Chariot. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This person is walking away, lumalayo, umiiwas, nagfo-focus sa kanyang sarili. The Four of Swords is like, focusing on health, focusing on beauty routines, focusing on not making any movements regarding sa inyong relationship or partnership. This person is, ina-analyze niya rin mabuti yung situation ninyo and kung ano yung mga dapat niyang gawin na kapaki-pakinabang, ito yung inaasikaso niya or inaayos niya. So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? You do over the Three of Cups. I mean, ang daming magbabalik ngayon, guys. Almost lahat ng readings ko. And I don't know kung ikaw ba ito kasi pwedeng, pag magre-reading ako, hindi lang isang video ko pinapanood mo eh. Pwedeng kasi yung zodiac sign mo and then yung zodiac sign ng person mo and then nakaka-resonate ka doon. So, iyan, may mga nagko-comment din yung iba bakit parang halos pareho yung reading. So, sometimes kasi ganun. Maybe nanonood ng 2 beses. So, of course, makukuha ko ulit yung energy. You know what I mean? And, regarding dito, napapansin ko lang talaga laging lumalabas sa future events. Itong Three of Cups, which is the Three of Cups is reconciliation, reunion, friendship. And you do have here the Seven of Swords, Page of Swords. Parang wala kang pakialam sa sasabihin na ng iba eh. And I can see reconciliation na ginagawa mo with regards to this person. Parang wala ka nang papakialam or wala ka nang pakialam or wala ka nang parang gagawin mo lahat ng gusto mong gawin kasi the Page of Swords, this is nakakita ka ng bata dyan, di ba? It's like a toddler. It's like a person na parang hindi mo mauutusan. Like, pag ginusto niya. Katulad ng isang bata, katulad ng isang paslit. Gusto niya magsulat sa dingding, magsusulat yan. Kahit may magalit, hindi naman niya alam yung ginagawa niya, parang ganun. And this is you, na parang you just want to enjoy yourself, you just want to have fun. kahit may magalit. Mahuli na ako mahuli, basta ako ginawa ko yung gusto ko, parang ganun. And Seven of Swords, maaaring may mga ibang tao or may mga tao nagtatry mag-control sa'yo, sabihin sa'yo yung ganito ganyan, but you are more committed to yourself, to this connection, rather than dito sa mga taong nagsasabi or nagsasalita na hindi maganda sa connection na ito. Regarding sa person na ito, ano yung emotions, what will happen in the near future? For this person, the Empress is here. Queen of Wands. Ganun, this person, nakakita tayo ng pag-aayos, more on sa kanyang sarili. The Empress is self-love, self-care, being happier. The Four of Cups, nakakita tayo ng mga returns na parang hindi siya sure kung paano i-accept or tatanggapin ba itong mga pagbabalik na ito. And maybe some of you, it is coming from your side or maybe other people sa buhay niya. But there's a lot of pagbabalik and maybe pagbabalik ng if there's empleyado or a friend, maybe a friend connection, or if your person is a business person, maybe may mga pagbabalik na mga business partnerships or pwede may mga kinalaman doon sa career. Pagbabalik, it's like an offer na parang hindi siya sure kung tatanggapin niya pa ito. The Nine of Pentacles, this person can handle his or herself. Nakakatuwa itong person na to kasi in the future, kaya niyang maging responsable, kaya niyang magpakasaya, kaya niya pagsabay-sabayin lahat. And you're dealing with a person na magaling talaga. Maybe financially, you're dealing with a person who is already stable. May nagiging problema man sa pera, pero stable pa rin siya. Life must go on kind of energy. And with the Queen of Wands, this person, like, nakakita tayo ng, gusto niya ng explanation. Like, if you're planning to, bumalik dito sa taong to, parang gusto niya muna ng explanation. Bakit? Paano? Ganto, ganyan. Or, okay, if you want me to accept yung offer or to accept you, give me a reason kung bakit. And I want explanation. Bakit mo ginawa? Ganyan. Bakit ka umiwas, lumayo? Pwedeng ganyan. This person wants you to talk. No? Gusto niya magsalita ka. But of course, parang isang nanay na nakakita ng paslit na basta na lang nagsulat sa dingding. Gusto niya malaman paano, kailan, saan mo nakuha yung pansulat mo dyan. Parang ganon. And then, some of you don't know how to explain yourself. You just know na gusto mo yon gawin. And this person, gusto lang niya ng explanation. Okay. And there's a new beginning sa inyong dalawa with the Ace of Swords here. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.